Ever feel like your small space is shrinking? Clothes overflowing from closets, toys taking over the living room, and that constant struggle to find anything you need? Yeah, me too. Living in a small space can feel like a constant battle against clutter. But hey, don't despair. There's hope for us yet. This video is all about taking back control of your small space. We're going to explore tons of clever storage solutions that will help you maximize every inch and finally feel organized. I'm your name, and I'm here to show you how to transform your tiny apartment or house into a haven of efficiency and style. We all dream of a home that feels spacious and inviting, a place where we can relax, entertain guests, and spread out a bit. But for many of us living in small apartments or houses, that dream can feel out of reach. The reality is, feeling cramped and cluttered is a constant battle. Finding storage seems impossible, everything feels messy, and that feeling of "where did I put that?" becomes an all-too-familiar question. But here's the good news. Just because your space is small doesn't mean it has to feel that way. With a little creativity and some smart storage solutions, you can transform your tiny haven into a space that feels organized, functional, and even stylish. Homeowner, mid-20s sitting in their organized living room. Before, my apartment always felt so chaotic. But after implementing some storage solutions, it's amazing how much more spacious it feels. Now I can actually find things and enjoy spending time here. Exactly. By utilizing every inch of space efficiently, we can take back control and create a home that works for us. So, are you ready to ditch the clutter and maximize your small space? Let's dive in. Let's start our small space storage revolution in the heart of the home, the living room. Feeling like your coffee table is a battleground for clutter? Say hello to your new best friend, the multifunctional coffee table with built-in storage. Ottomans that open for blankets, board games, or even spare pillows are lifesavers in small spaces. Don't have floor space to spare? Utilize those vertical walls. Floating shelves are a fantastic way to add storage without sacrificing precious square footage. They're perfect for displaying decorative items, books, or even storing board games vertically. Speaking of maximizing space, ever considered a futon? These versatile pieces of furniture can transform from a comfortable couch for movie nights to a cozy bed for overnight guests. It's the perfect solution for small living rooms that need to serve multiple purposes. And let's not forget about that underutilized space beneath your TV stand. Look for stands with built-in drawers and cabinets. They're perfect for hiding away electronics, movies, or even those extra throw blankets you just can't part with. Remember, every inch counts. By incorporating these clever storage solutions, you can transform your small living room into a space that feels functional, inviting, and free from clutter. Coming up next, we'll tackle the bedroom and discover how to create a haven of relaxation, even in the most compact spaces. Stay tuned! Now let's move on to our sanctuary, the bedroom. But let's be honest, sometimes our bedrooms can feel more like battlegrounds against clutter than peaceful retreats. Maximize your sleep space with a platform bed. These lifesavers offer tons of hidden storage underneath, perfect for stashing away clothes, shoes, or even extra bedding. Plus, they often come with integrated headboards that can eliminate the need for a separate dresser. Speaking of headboards, skip the bulky traditional ones and opt for a headboard with built-in shelves or compartments. This is a fantastic way to add storage for books, picture frames, or even small electronics like tablets or phones. Feeling like your clothes are taking over your closet? Here's a two-pronged attack. First, invest in some space-saving hangers. Thin velvet hangers allow you to maximize closet space by hanging clothes closer together without wrinkles. Second, utilize vacuum storage bags. These ingenious bags suck out all the air, allowing you to compress out-of-season clothes or bulky bedding, freeing up precious closet real estate. Don't forget those pesky shoes. Over-the-door shoe organizers are a fantastic way to utilize wasted space behind your closet door. They come in various sizes and styles to fit all your footwear needs. The kitchen, the heart of the home. But in a small space, it can quickly morph into a chaotic battlefield of counter clutter and overflowing cabinets. Let's tame the kitchen chaos. Vertical space is your friend here. Swap out traditional spice jars for a pull-out spice rack with multiple shelves. This way, you can easily access all your spices while maximizing cabinet space. Feeling like your pots and pans are taking over your counter space? Consider a hanging pot rack. Mounted above the stovetop, it frees up precious counter space and keeps your cookware within easy reach when you need it. Now let's tackle those overflowing utensil drawers. Invest in drawer dividers and organizers. This simple solution keeps your utensils neatly separated, making it easy to find what you need and preventing that frustrating drawer digging. Don't underestimate the power of under-the-sink storage. This often neglected space can be a lifesaver in a small kitchen. Utilize under-sink organizers to keep cleaning supplies neatly categorized and out of sight. You can even install a sliding trash bin system to maximize this valuable space. By implementing these clever storage solutions, you can transform your small kitchen into a space that feels organized, efficient, and even inspires your inner chef. Up next, we'll conquer the bathroom and discover how to create a spa-like haven even in the most compact spaces. Stay tuned. The bathroom, our personal oasis for relaxation and rejuvenation. But in a small space, that feeling of tranquility can quickly vanish amidst the clutter of overflowing shelves and a cramped shower. Don't let that unused space above your toilet go to waste. Install a stylish over-the-toilet storage cabinet. This space-saving solution offers additional storage for towels, toiletries, or even cleaning supplies, keeping your counter clutter-free. Feeling like your shower essentials are constantly battling for space? Upgrade to a multi-tiered shower caddy. These clever organizers offer multiple shelves to neatly store your shampoos, conditioners, and razors, keeping everything within easy reach and maximizing your shower space. In a tiny bathroom, every inch counts. Consider utilizing those unused corners. Install a corner shelf in your shower. This space-saving solution provides additional storage for your shower essentials without sacrificing valuable floor space. Let's not forget the vanity. Combat drawer chaos with organizers and compartment trays. These simple solutions keep your makeup, toiletries, and bathroom essentials neatly separated, making it easy to find what you need and minimizing countertop clutter. By incorporating these clever storage solutions, you can transform your small bathroom into a spa-like haven, even in the most compact spaces. Remember, a little creativity can go a long way in creating a calm and organized space for relaxation. Up next, we'll explore some bonus tips and hacks to take your small space storage to the next level. Stay tuned. First things first, declutter before you buy storage. It's tempting to think more shelves or containers will solve all your problems, but that's not always the case. Before you invest in new storage solutions, take some time to declutter your belongings. Get rid of anything you no longer use, wear, or love. Trust me, a little ruthless decluttering can free up a surprising amount of space. Next, label everything. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a game changer for small spaces. Labeling your containers, shelves, and drawers makes it easy to find what you need and keeps your storage solutions organized and efficient. Think multifunctional. When shopping for furniture or storage solutions, opt for pieces that serve multiple purposes. For example, a bench with built-in storage can replace a bulky dresser, saving space and providing additional functionality. Similarly, a wall-mounted shelf with a hanging basket underneath can offer storage for decorative items and everyday essentials. Don't be afraid of a little DIY. There are tons of creative and budget-friendly DIY storage solutions you can create yourself. Repurpose old crates, baskets, or even pegboard to create unique and personalized storage options for your small space. Remember, small spaces don't have to feel cramped or cluttered. By implementing these clever storage solutions, decluttering regularly, and thinking creatively, you can transform your tiny apartment or house into a haven of organization, functionality, and even style. Bonus tip: subscribe for more home improvement hacks. There you have it, a toolbox full of clever storage solutions to help you maximize space and create a truly organized haven in your small apartment or home. Remember that feeling of being cramped and overwhelmed? By utilizing the tips and tricks we covered today, you can transform your space into one that feels functional, inviting, and free from clutter. We saw how floating shelves and multifunctional furniture can free up floor space, and how utilizing vertical walls with cabinets and organizers can maximize storage capacity. So, are you ready to take back control of your small space and reclaim your sanity? I hope this video has given you some valuable inspiration. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more home improvement tips and tricks to help you create a space you love.